already we are 4 minutes into the session time. So, okay. So, last week, நம்ம இந்த algebra பார்த்தோம் நம்ம. I had given these couple of homeworks. So, யாரெல்லாம் இதை ட்ரை பண்ணீங்க இந்த homework? Geeta Shankar, okay. Anybody else? Okay. So, இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நம்ம சும்மா கிளாஸ்ல இருந்தா மட்டும் போதாது. You have to practice, on your own. அப்பதான் நம்ம வந்து knowledge will be complete. Okay. ஸோ நான் திரும்பி இதே ப்ராப்ளம் நம்ம இதே மாதிரி சிமிலர் ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டோம் இந்த கிளாஸ்ல. ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு go through. It will take a lot of time if I do this whole thing today. So it's going to take a lot of time. But since Geeta has done it, she can briefly tell. நீங்க எப்படி போட்டீங்க Geeta? How did you do and what count? First of all, you will count, right? So briefly tell. You don't have to go into each and every step. Can you tell Geeta?
Yeah. The first question, S is equal to 1 to 8, quadratic equation, correct? That question.
Yeah.
So, I just substituted values for B, A and C such that the condition is true. B square is greater than 4AC.
Correct.
I substituted each value. 1 and 2 will not come because they are less than 4. If I substitute B equal to 1 or B equal to 2, B square is 1 and B square is 4. That cannot be greater than 4. Therefore, those two won't come. So from 3 to 8, I took each case separately and I just tried with all possible values. So total, I got 100 cases. 100 substitution. Totally, I got 100. So the final step in the question is, number of favorable cases is 100 and the whole thing, total possibility is real roots. So real root means equal roots as well as unequal roots. So greater than 0 condition as well as equal to 0 condition. So equal to 0 falls for 8 cases. Therefore 100 and 8 together 108 for the denominator. Total probability denominator. Denominator is 108 and numerator comes to me as 100. So the answer is 100 divided by 108. Cutting simplification gives us 25 by 27.
Super Geeta. Super. So yeah, இதே மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் லாஸ்ட் வீக் நம்ம போட்டோம் where we solved for equal roots. இதுல வந்து unequal roots அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளவுதான். That is the difference. So equal roots அப்படின்னா b square equal to 4ac. You have to find out the combinations, number of combinations of a, b and c. Count basically. So that b square equal to 4ac. அது நம்ம போட்டோம் லாஸ்ட் டைம். 8 வந்தது. இப்போ b square greater than 4ac அப்படின்னா எப்படி போடலாம்னா b ஒன்னு அச்சீவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். b வந்து 1 தான் minimum value. Like Geeta said, I'm just going to take couple of steps. b square வந்து 1 வரும். அப்போ this is equal to 4ac equal to 1. So அப்போ ac equal to 1 by 4. 4ac 1 அப்படின்னா ac 1 by 4. ac 1 by 4, what are the combinations a and c possible? So that say let us say this is a1c1 which point, because this is the condition. So now we have to determine ac such that b1 square greater than 4ac, right? This is where a1c1. So we have to determine a and c so that a1c1 is greater than whatever ac you choose. So அப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ இதில் ஒன்றுமே வராது, பிகாஸ் இது இஸ் 1 by 4 தான். ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ இஸ் 1 by 4ங்கிறதுனால இது ஒன்றுமே வராது. எந்த ஏசி போட்டாலும் ஏசி ப்ராடக்ட், but a and c has to be at least 1, right? 1 to 8. So that product has to be less than a1c1. That is our condition. அதனால வராது. ஸோ அது மாதிரி 2 போட்டிங்கன்னா இது 4 b1 square, இது 4, இது 1. அப்போ ஒரே கண்டிஷன் 1, 1 தான். a equal to 1, c equal to 1 போட்டால் தான் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் 1 வரும். ஸோ பட் that is only equality. பட் b square greater than 4ac அப்படிங்கும்போது எதுவும் வராது இதுலேயும். இப்போ அடுத்தது போட்டோம்னா நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் கிளியர் ஆகும். (9 by 4) அப்படின்னா 2.25. ஸோ இப்போ ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து sorry, இது வந்து 9, sorry, இது 9, இதுதான் 2.25. So this product A1C1 now should be AC should be less than 2.25. அப்படின்னா 1 or 2 is possible. So 1,1 எடுத்துக்கலாம், அப்புறம் 1,2 எடுத்துக்கலாம், 2,1 எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அது மாதிரி அப்போ 2,2 எடுக்க முடியாது. ஏவோட வேல்யூ சியோட வேல்யூ சொல்லலாம். இந்த 3 காம்பினேஷன் தான் பாசிபிள். ஸோ அதனால இதில் 3 தான் வரும். அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோர் ஏசி சேம், ரைட்? சார், ஏசி இஸ் 4. ஸோ இப்போ 1 பண்ணி இப்படி ஈஸியாக கவுண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். 1னாக்க அப் டு 3, 2 எடுத்தோம்னா 4 தான் வரணும். 2 கூட வராது. 3 எடுத்தோம்னா 1 தான் வரும். 4 எடுத்தோம்னா 4,1 4 வந்துடும். அதுவே நம்மளால் போட முடியாது பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் கண்டிஷன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் 3 and this is for 4. Like this you have to systematically do. So then you won't make mistake. இப்போ 5 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 25, இது வந்து 25/4 6.25 வரும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 1க்கு வந்து 1 to 6 வரலையும் வரும். 2க்கு வந்து 2 தான் வரும். 2 3 போட முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி 3க்கு வந்து 3 1 தான் வரும். 3 2 போட முடியாது. 4 1, அதே மாதிரி 5 1, 6 1, சரி 1 8, ஆமாம் ஆமாம் இவ்வளோதான் போட முடியும். 6 1 7 போட முடியாது. 7 1 போட்டால் சரி. இதே மாதிரி you have to count for others also. So that is what Geeta has done, and she gets a total of 100. So இந்த காம்பினேஷன் 0 இருக்கு, 0 இருக்கு, இது 3 இருக்கு, இது வந்து 3 2 5 இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி இது வந்து 6 2 8 9 10 11 12 இருக்கு. ஸோ இதே மாதிரி you do it systematically in a few steps you will get the answer. So I leave it to you. So I really want you to practice. So last week we did a similar problem. So please try to do it. So in the problem, we'll go to the next problem. Sum of roots of this given equation. இது எப்படி போடணும் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம நிறையவே நம்ம லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம நிறைய பார்த்துருக்கோம் நம்ம. So you have to take the cases where this x square இது போட்டோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஒரு few steps நம்ம போட்டோம். அதுக்கு மேலே தான் நான் asked you to continue. இது இருக்கு பாருங்க. ரைட்? ஸோ if you factorize you get it as x minus 5 into x minus 3. அதனால the critical points is 3 and 5. So if x is less than 3 or greater than or equal to 5, அது பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். அப்போ வந்து x square minus 8x minus 5 அப்படின்னு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். For the other range 3 to 5 அது நெகட்டிவா இருக்கும். அப்போ வந்து minus x square plus x minus 15 அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கணும் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல. ஸோ ரெண்டு ரேஞ்ச்லையும் நம்ம ஒரு ரேஞ்ச்லையும் we have to solve for x, and whatever solution you get you should match with the range assumed. Same principle we have done again a couple of problems before, so in the same way. So I want you to try that also. So ninga please try and try to do this on your own. So idukku mela nama idhe pannittu irundhomna then we are not going to have time for the other topics. So nalla I want to move on to trigonometry now.
So idla rendu answer vandhudu. X equal to 4 falls in the range, x equal to 5 plus root 3 falls in the range. So இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 9 plus root 3 is the answer.
Correct. Okay, good. So I want you all to try, all the children here, please try, and you can get this. Okay, so like she said, the answer is going to be 9 plus root 3. Yeah, is that right, Geeta? 9 plus root 3, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. We'll go to trigonometry now. Okay. Okay, before I go, if anybody has any question on a particular question, anything on algebra, I can still discuss. We have done this for 3 classes. So I hope that you understand this, how to, the problems are going to be mainly on inequalities and mod. இதுதான் கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும். Quadratic equation, sum and product of roots, அது மாதிரி some questions will be there, but that that is more easier. But mod and this is what is slightly different, this modular and inequalities. Okay, so these problems also we have done. If you are not comfortable with any of this mod, how to do this mod and inequality problem, you can ask me now, or you can send me a separate mail. I can have a separate session with you to explain that. Anybody has any questions? Okay, so I will go on to trigonometry now. Okay, so in the problem, I think this is one of the easier problems. So sin x equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, when theta is in the third quarter, find 3 tan square x minus cos x. Can somebody try this, do this, or tell me how to do? That is enough. How you will approach. Let us see Akshaya or Varshini. If sin x is given, can you find out cos x? How will you go about?
Using the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1.
Okay, very good. That is one thing. How will you get tan x?
Or we can draw the right angle triangle, mark the 4 and 5 in the opposite and hypotenuse, and find the adjacent side, and then whatever angle is asked, you can find it.
Yeah, very good, very good. So did you all follow Veni and Varshini? Did you follow what, or not Veni, it is Akshaya, right? Akshaya and Varshini, did you follow what Geeta just now said?
Yes, sir.
What about Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do it. Then you please do it. All of you, please. Now you know how to do it. Please let us. No, I will let you do it. Okay.
By using the identity, I got cos x to be 3 by 5.
Plus 3 by 5 or minus 3 by 5?
And that's what I got confused. Theta is in the third quadrant, so it should be of the form 180 plus theta. So, is there anything quadrant thing? Cos of minus theta is minus cos theta. Sorry, positive cos theta. So I thought it is positive, but theta is in the third quadrant, therefore cos is also negative. Yes, cos is also negative. So negative 3 by 5, cos x. Cos x negative 3 by 5 as it falls in the third quadrant.
Okay.
Therefore, tan will be positive, 4 by 3.
Okay, so I think you solved most of it. So now others should just substitute, and hopefully, yeah. Let's anyway let Akshaya and Varshini. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please raise your hand if you're done, so you can discuss the results.
So I got 89 by 15.
Okay.
I couldn't do it, sir. Can you teach me?
Enamma, Varshini? Yeah.
Sir, I couldn't understand it, sir. Can you teach me, sir? I couldn't understand.
Okay. See, whenever sin x is given and you're asked to find out other trigonometric ratios, any one ratio we can easily determine all other ratios. What are the 6 ratios? Sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Right? If one is given, you can determine all the rest. That is what using the triangle method. Okay. So, it's given that sin x is minus 4 by 5 and x is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant அப்படினா இங்க இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? So the point is somewhere here. Let us say third quadrant, this is your theta. So if this is your theta, sin x is this ratio by hypotenuse. Okay. Since sin x is given as minus 4 by 5, this you can see this is minus 4. Okay. So this has to be 5. Right? You see that it's in the third quadrant. If it is in some other quadrant, you have to slightly think and put. So which is minus and which is plus. Okay. So this is minus 4 and this is 5 because it is in the third quadrant. So இப்போ இது வந்து you can Pythagoras theorem, you can determine 5 square minus 4 square, 3 square. So either plus or minus 3. But since it is in the third quadrant, you can see that this is minus 3. Third quadrant, this is negative, right? This side is negative. Similarly, this side is also negative. So this is minus 3, this is minus 4, and this is 5. So given this sin theta equal to this, you construct this triangle, then you can write off all the other ratios simply by looking at the triangle. So now cos theta will be adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta will be opposite side by adjacent side. You can put this 4 by 3. If you ask secant theta, what is secant theta? You can say again, hypotenuse by adjacent side. 5 by minus 3 or minus 5 by 3. So you can write off all the angles. This is very, very useful, in solving calculus problems. There will be many problems where there will be calculus substitutions and you will have value of sin theta and then the result will come in terms of cos theta or tan theta. So you have to use this technique. This is very, very important technique. So one thing I forgot to tell you is this trigonometry, directly from trigonometry, there will be very few problems in your, JEE. But this using trigonometry, many problems in calculus will use this trigonometry concepts. And we have to be very, very thorough. Okay, so it has got applications, especially in trigonometry, in calculus, integration, problem solving, integration problems. You will use it extensively. Okay, so if you're not comfortable, you will find it very, very hard to do calculus. Okay, so make yourself very comfortable. So now that we have cos theta and tan theta, can you determine 3 tan square theta minus cos x? It's just substitutions now. Minus cos x, sorry. Instead of I put theta, so let's put theta equal to x here. Okay, 3 tan square x equal to minus cos x. So you just substitute 3 into tan square is 4 by 3 minus cos x. So now it is a matter of simplification. 3 into 16 by 9 plus 3 by 5. So 16 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So we can put 15 here. So 5 into 16 is 80 plus 3 into 3, 9. So you get 89 over 50. Did everybody understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Ajay? Ajay has, it looks like Ajay and one more has joined now. Okay. Ajay, did you follow this trigonometry problem? Ajay was there in the last class, right, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you do the homework problems that I gave in from algebra? Did you do those? I asked you, all of you to do 2 problems, no? Did you try that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, did you? Very good. So what did you get? Why didn't you then send those to me? So did you solve it completely? Did you find it? So what answer did you get? But, you shouldn't come so late. Ennachi, why you came so late today? We were discussing those problems. So for this, what answer did you get? Ajay, are you there?
Yeah, school is
What answer did you get, Ajay? Hello?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I missed the note in school, sir.
Okay, fine. So you can send it to me later. Both the problems you have done, I'll be very happy to look at it and give you feedback. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, okay. So now let's go back to our trigonometry problem. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. So trigonometry, these are the kind of problems. Many problems, you will get, the word problem இருக்கும் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா you will get problems that involve transformation, trigonometric transformation, sum to product to sum transformation. That is the concept will be very useful in calculus also. So, but this problem is a word problem. This was from the last year's paper because I didn't find many problems in this year. So I took, from the last year. But like I said, problem இல்லைங்கிறதுனால இது important இல்லைன்னு நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. This concept will be, continuously used in, extensively used in calculus. Okay. So let's do this problem. There is a vertical tower AB, have its ends A on level ground and C be the midpoint of AB. AB is the tower, B is the midpoint of tower, and P be a point on the ground such that AP equal to 2AB. Okay. So let me just draw it. In the மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா எப்பவுமே you should all draw it first. Okay. Let a vertical tower AB AB is a vertical tower and A on the level ground. So this is the ground level. Okay, and C be the midpoint of AB. This is your C. So then P be a point on the ground such that AP equal to 2AB. So the polar double. So now we'll have to take it somewhere very far, somewhere here. so that AP equal to 2AB. Okay. So this is what is given. Okay. If angle BPC, okay, let's connect this. BPC is equal to X. Then what is tan X? Tan X. So all that is given is this is equal to 2AB. Okay. AP equal to 2AB. And this is midpoint. BC. BPC. Ma. Sorry.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
drawn it
Angle
wrongly.
X marked is wrong. Angle
Yeah,
X
yeah.
marked alone is wrong.
This is X. அதான் இவ்வளோ ஈஸியா இருக்கேன்னு பார்த்தேன். BPC is this angle. Okay. So tan of this angle தான் நமக்கு வேணும். I'll give some clues. Let's say this is your X. The X and the distance. X வேணாம். Since there is X here already. Let's say this is A. This is also A. Okay. So then this will be AB is now 2A and the AP twice of that 4A. இப்படி எழுதிப்போம். A 4A. Okay. So now try to find out what is your tan X. So what technique can we use here? Anybody? Think. So here, let us mark some other angles. So let us put this thing as Y. Y capital Y. So then this big angle is X plus Y. Yeah, the X is Y. And this X is equal to X plus Y minus Y. Correct? So now does it give you any clue? Now what is tan X plus?
Yeah, we can subtract from the two right triangles.
Yeah.
One is big, the other one is bottom right triangle. Two right triangles are there. One is APB, the smaller one is CAP.
Correct. So from that you can determine the values of tan X plus Y and tan Y. Or let us say X plus Y, we call it as Z in which. And the big thing is Z in which. Okay, we can easily determine tan Z, tan Y. And your X is equal to Z minus Y. Right? So now can you solve with all these clues?
One by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. Very good, Geeta. I don't know if it is correct or not. I'm going to work it out, but you solved it. So let's see other people. and then we can discuss. Let's see, Akshaya, Varshini, Ajay. Unglala, can you try? Are you trying?
We have to
Yes,
use
sir.
Pythagoras theorem and find the hypotenuse. Not even necessary, correct. Not even needed, but I actually found that first, hypotenuse. Not even necessary. Immediately we can say tan of the x plus y and tan of the y, then
So,
subtract it.
yeah, you can find out tan of z and tan of y. They are very easy from this triangle, right? Then what is x equal to z minus y? So what we need is tan of z minus y. So do you know the formula for tan of a minus b?
Oh, I didn't do that.
Ah,
Or maybe I have made a mistake. I will redo it.
so I don't want to keep on doing. I want you people to try. Yeah, Varshini, tell me.
Sir, the answer is 1 by 4, sir.
So how did you do? You tell me the steps.
Sir, if we there is a 2a on this side, sir, in the A and B side.
Okay.
In A and B side there is 4a, sir. If we cancel both, we will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2, sir. Its nearest answer is 1 by 4, sir. So I told that, sir.
That's what you
Is
did.
it 2? Is it 2 by 9? 2 by 9?
No, Varshini, you have only determined one half, that is not tan x, that is tan z, right? What you have calculated is tan z, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is needed is tan x. So
Okay.
what about Akshaya? Kita koncho, let us give some time for that these
yeah.
other people. Huh? Yes, Ajay. Yeah. You got 2 by 9. Okay. Akshaya, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க இதுவரையிலும்? What are you trying? Please tell me what you are doing. What you have done so far.
Sir, I'm trying, sir, but yeah, I've not gotten anything so far.
Okay. Okay. How are you trying? What are you trying? What have you done so far?
I've tried to find a ratio sort of, but it's not working, sir.
Sir,
Tell me, Ajay.
so I got answer 1 by 4, sir.
Got 1 by 4. But how did you get? So what are the steps? First step is what?
So first I got tan z, sir.
What is tan z?
So 2a by 4a, sir. So 1 by 2, sir.
Tan z equal to 2a by 4a, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Next, what did you do?
So next I will find tan y, sir.
Tan y.
So a by 4a, sir. So 1 by 4.
Okay.
So then I will subtract this, sir.
So tan x is not வேணும் நமக்கு. What is tan x?
Sir, tan
z minus
y is equal to 1 by 2
1 by 4.
Right, one at a time. Let Ajay finish, and then Varshini you can say. Ajay, you tell me, what is tan z minus y?
So 1 by 4, sir.
No, what is the formula for tan z minus y? Tan z minus y is not equal to tan z minus tan y. Okay, you have done that. Tan z minus tan y, right?
Yes, sir.
But is that the formula for tan z minus y? Formula படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா உங்க புக்ல? tan of z minus y என்ன?
Sir, tan z plus minus y, sir.
No. Let's see now hear from Varshini. Varshini, tell me. What is the formula for tan of z minus y?
Sir, I don't know the formula, sir. But I did something else, sir.
What did you do?
Sir, I subtract tan z minus tan y, sir, by 2a by 4a. I cancel it first time itself. I cancel it, sir. 1 by 2 like that answer came, sir. For me tan z. Then tan y I got 1 by 4, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
what is-
then I subtract them, substitute them. Then I got 1 by minus 2 minus 1 by 4, sir. Then I got tan x is equal to 1 by 4, sir.
The same thing Ajay did. Okay. But like just now said, tan of z minus y is not equal to tan z minus tan y. You assumed that tan of z minus y equal to tan z minus tan y, right? Look at the formula in your book. Okay. So
Sir, is the formula tan z minus tan y by 1 plus tan z tan y?
yeah, that is the formula. Now you remember Varshini and Ajay? Tan of z minus y is tan z minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan z tan y.
சில பேருக்கு அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல நடத்திருக்கவே மாட்டாங்க இன்னும் trigonometry டாபிக்
இல்ல 12th student yeah, this is basic trigonometry formula, right?
11th வந்து அது sometimes அது
நடத்திருக்காங்களா உங்களுக்கு?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Who is 12th here? Akshaya is 12th, right? Ajay?
Yes, sir.
And there are other people. So, okay. Now, இப்போ நம்ம substitute பண்ணி போடுங்க. Now that you know the formula, can you substitute and solve it?
The 2 by 9, sir.
You're getting 2 by 9. Okay. Varshini, you also got the same?
Yes, sir. I got same, sir.
2 by 9. Okay. What did you get, Geeta?
same 2 by 9.
So everybody is getting 2 by 9. So it must be correct. So let's check it. Tan z minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan z into tan y. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 வந்து 1 by 4. இது வந்து 1 plus 1 by 8. Very good. So over got 2 by 9. Yeah, that is the right answer. Very good. Okay. So everybody followed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So let's go to the next problem. I see there are other people also. Who else is there? Jayesh Shakti, Sai, Shani.
Sir,
Yeah, Jayesh Shakti. Yeah, did you follow? I didn't hear anything from you. Did you try and solve this problem?
No, I'm now only, sir, I attend this class,
Okay, okay.
sir.
You are in 11th or 12th, Jayesh Shakti?
I'm in 12th.
12th. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ajay, you are 11th or 12th?
So 11th, sir.
11th. Okay. Varshini, you are 11th, I think, right?
Yes, sir, I am 11th standard, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the next problem. This is a very interesting problem. This involves product to sum to product transformation. Okay. So this is a very, very important concept. இது உங்களுக்கு நடத்திருக்காங்களான்னு தெரியல. ஸோ 11th ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இஃப் உங்களுக்கு அது நடத்தலை அப்படின்னா யூ மே ஃபைண்ட் இட் ஹார்ட். But 12th students, you must be able to do it. Okay. Okay. Now the question is, if x range of x is between 0 and 2 pi, then the number of real values of x which satisfy the equation cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x equal to 0 is. So how many values of x will satisfy this condition? X in the range 0 to 2 pi. 0 inclusive, but 2 pi not included. Okay. So எப்படி போடலாம் இது? 12th students overall Akshaya and Jaya Shakti, right? So you can come up with some suggestions, and Geeta also. So the three of you can you think and tell me what approach you can apply here? We have to do sum to product transformation so that then we can eliminate. See, if there is an equation, right, it is equal to 0. If it is sum equal to 0, we cannot solve it easily. Okay. But if we convert it to a product, if the product is 0, we can say that, okay, at least there are many options. Each of the terms should be 0. Okay. So we can solve if we convert the sum to a product. Right? So you try to convert it into a product.
Cos C plus cos B formula.
Yeah, cos A plus cos B is what?
Formula for what? Cos C plus cos B is
I'll write the formula. It comes from cos A plus B. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Cos A plus cos B. Yeah. General formula. A can be written as cos of always A can be written as A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. And B can be written as A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. Okay. So now you expand these, what happens? Cos A plus B by 2 minus cos A minus B by 2 is cos A cos B இல்லையா? இது xy ன்னு வச்சுக்கோ. cos x x minus y is cos x cos y.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ல டவுட்டா இருக்கு எனக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
what is your doubt?
நம்ம cos A தான எழுதுறோம்.
A can be, whenever you see that A and B இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது A can be written as A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. You simplify A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2 and see what do you get.
A cancel ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Oh, plus sorry. This is plus and this is minus.
That's what. ரெண்டு ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு.
This is plus and this is minus. Right. Correct. Thanks for pointing out. Yeah, it's plus. Okay. So A equal to A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2 and B equal to A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. Okay. So using this concept, so this cos, this is x plus y abdina, cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Yeah.
அவர் கரெக்டா போட்டுட்டு இருக்காரு. சொல்லி கொடுக்கல இன்னும் எனக்கு.
சரி மேல போய் உட்காரு. இல்ல என் கல்லு
போறது இருங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம். முடிச்சாச்சு அவ்வளவுதான். இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் தான். சும்மா போனா எங்க போ என்னாலே முடியல. ஃப்ளஷி ஃபுட்ஸ்
நிறைய இருக்கு. நீ பாத்துக்க.
Hi Varshini, can you please mute your phone? Okay. So cos A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2 is cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. அதே மாதிரி cos A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2 வந்து இது. This is expansion. Now when you add those two, the sin term will get cancelled. So what you will essentially get is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So this is the equivalent of cos A plus cos B. This is the concept, that formula that you will use. Cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So this way you are able to convert a product to sum of trigonometric terms to product of trigonometric terms. So please do that for these two, cos x plus cos 2x, cos 3x plus cos 4x. ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம். இதே substitute பண்ணணும். What you will get here now, A is x here and B is 2x. Cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So this is actually a standard formula. I derived it, but you can remember this. Okay. If you cannot remember, then you can write it and verify, derive it. But normally you should remember cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So that is the formula that we should use here. So cos x plus cos 2x equal to what? Using this formula.
Two cos 3x by 2 cos negative x by 2.
You could simply put A equal to x and B equal to 2x. அவ்வளவுதானே? 2 cos அவ்வளவுதான். So this becomes 2 cos 3x by 2 cos minus x by 2. But cos minus x is equal to cos x. Yeah, so in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Instead of cos A plus B, we could have written it as cos B plus A also. Yeah. So then it will become B plus A by 2 minus B minus A by 2. But 2x minus is positive. So, but anyway, cos of minus x by 2 is equal to cos of x by 2. So now we can put it as 2 cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2. So, did everybody follow this step? Cos x plus cos 2x?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Same way you simplify the other two terms, cos 3x 4x, right? You write it down. What is cos 3x plus cos 4x in the same way? Yes, Geeta? Yeah.
The second, please. 2 cos 7x by 2 cos x by 2.
Okay, you have done it. Very good. Very good. Let the others also do. Varshini or Rajay? Okay. Lakshya? The same way, right? 2 cos 3x plus 4x. ஒரு ஸ்டெப் கூட எழுதிக்கலாம் தப்பில்ல. இது again minus x by 2 னு வருது. It is same as x by 2 னு போட்டுக்கலாம் நம்ம. So we have got this first term as 2 cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2. Second as this. Okay, now what is the sum of both? Cos x plus cos 2x. Will be 2 cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2 plus 2 cos 7x by 2 cos x by 2. Now we can take something out common. This 2 cos x plus 2 is common. X by 2. Okay. So now you try to apply the same cos a plus b formula on this term, cos 3x by 2 plus cos 7x by 2. So that way then you will eliminate all the pluses and it will all become product. So then you can easily solve it. So I request you to try this. Simplify cos 3x by 2 plus cos 7x by 2 using the same formula for cos a plus b. All of you try and tell me.
Sir,
Yeah, Sajay?
2 cos 5x into cos minus 2x, sir.
No. Cos of minus 2x is same as cos 2x.
So, okay, sir.
Okay. What about Akshaya? Geeta? Darshini?
Yeah, got the same answer.
Okay. Okay. இது வந்து again 2 cos a plus b by 2. This is what you did, right? A equal to 3x by 2, B equal to 7x by 2.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I got answer like 2 cos x by 2 in bracket 2 cos 5x by 2 cos x, sir.
Cos x. 4x by 2 to be correct. This is what is, what Varshini said is right. 2 cos 5x by 2 cos x. Is that what you got, Geeta and Ajay?
Yeah.
Okay. இப்போ பாருங்க, now if
Not 5 by 2. 5x. 5x. Not 5 by 2.
I think you said differently. You just said 5x and நினைக்கிறேன். The 2x,
Yes, yes.
5x.
The 2 cos 5x into cos 2x, sir.
2x. Cos 2x.
But that is not correct. இங்க பாருங்க எப்படி போட்டிருக்கேன். இதை simplify பண்ணி பாருங்க. 3x by 2 plus 7x by 2. ஒரு 2 விட்டுட்டீங்க நீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறமா by 2 போடணும். இல்லையா? So it is not simply 5x, it is cos of 5x by 2. அதே மாதிரி அடுத்த டேர்மு cos 2x கிடையாது. It is cos x. Agree? Sorry, Jayashakti, I didn't hear from you. I hope you are following. You could follow so far, right, Jayashakti? You are in 12th, so it should be easy for you. Okay, so what you get is 4 cos x by 2 cos 5x by 2 cos x equal to 0. So we have rewritten the given equation like this. So now you can find out the value of x that satisfies this condition, right? This means either
X by
you get
2.
cos of x by 2 equal to 0 or cos of 5x by 2 equal to 0 or cos of x equal to 0. So one another, what are the solutions?
Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, we have to equate each value to pi by 2.
Not only pi by 2. In the range of 0 to 2 pi, what are all the values possible?
Odd number of pi by 2, 1 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2.
X equal to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Okay? இங்க வந்து x by 2 equal to pi by 2 or x by 2 equal to 3 pi by 2. இங்க வந்து 5x by 2 equal to pi by 2 or 5x by 2 equal to 3 pi by 2. These are the 6 different values you are getting. Let us solve each one of them. So this gives me x by 2 equal to pi by 2 na x equal to pi. X by 2 equal to 3 pi by 2 gives me x equal to 3 pi. This gives me x equal to 5 pi. X equal to, wait, sorry. X by 2 equal to pi by 2, x equal to 2 pi by 2 equal to pi. Second one, x by 2 equal to 3 pi by 2 gives me x equal to 6 pi by 2.
2 can get cancelled. You can cancel the 2 on both the sides and directly write.
Next, x by 5x by 2. 5x by 2 equal to pi by 2 gives me 10x equal to 2 pi or x equal to 2 pi by 10 equal to pi by 5.
Pi by 5 or 3 pi by 5.
3 pi by 5. கடைசியில் உள்ளது x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Okay, அது அப்படியே இருக்கு. அதில் no more manipulation is needed. So the values we are getting are pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, அதுக்கப்புறம் pi, 3 pi, pi by 5, 3 pi by 5. So how many solutions are there?
6.
6. Now, but what have they given in the problem?
Range 0 to 2 pi.
So now you have to see which of these 6 solutions are in the range 0 to 2 pi.
3 pi வராது. 3 pi.
Apart from 3 pi, all the solutions are okay. Okay. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. I'll write possible solutions are or possible values of x. Okay. Or pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi by 3 pi கிடையாது because it is not in the range 0 to 2 pi, so I am excluding that. Pi by 5, 3 pi by 5. So what is the question? How many solutions, right? Question is the number of values of x which satisfy this equation. Okay. So what
5.
There are 5 values of x that satisfy the solution. Possible values are these 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay. So did everybody follow? Varshini, Jayashakti, Ajay? Ajay?
Sir,
Yeah, did you follow? புரிஞ்சுதான் கேட்டேன்.
so ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல இருந்து புரியலைங்க சார்.
எது புரியல? புரியலன்னா கேளுங்க ப்ளீஸ். எது புரியல? யூ ஆர் இன் 11th இல்லையா? உங்களுக்கு அது நடத்திருக்க மாட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மேபி தட் இஸ் ரீசன் யூ ஆர் ஹியர்.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, so that's okay then. Because cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b 2. இப்போ கூடி சீக்கிரம் உங்களுக்கு நடத்துவாங்க when you are trigonometry. உங்களுக்கு trigonometry நடத்திட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? அட்லீஸ்ட் இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கவே இல்லையா? சாரி அஜய் ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்களா இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு?
எஸ் சார்.
ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க இல்லை? இட் வில் டெஃபினெட்லி இட் வில் கம் இன்னும் ஒன் ஆர் 2 கிளாஸஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு இது வரும் இந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ்லாம். ஓகே, ப்ராடக்ட் டு சம் டு ப்ராடக்ட், அதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட் டு சம் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன், இதெல்லாம் நல்லா ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப அந்த கான்செப்ட் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அதான் திரும்ப திரும்ப அதான் நம்ம டஃப் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்ல அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் தான் வரும். அண்ட் இட் இஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் இன் கால்குலஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்கோம். ஸோ வேற எதுவும் புரியலையா உங்களுக்கு அஜய்? எனிதிங்? once you know this formula, after that it is just substituting the formula, right?
Yes sir.
நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை வீட்ல போய். ஓகே,
So okay.
send this to you. நான் அதை அனுப்புறேன், நீங்களா போட்டு பாருங்க ஒரு வாட்டி. இந்த மெட்டீரியல் நான் அனுப்புவேன், குரூப்ல போடுவேன், வேணா நீங்க பாத்துக்கலாம். பட் நீங்களே ஒரு வாட்டி போட்டு பாருங்க. பட் இப்போ
Yes, sir.
ஜெயசக்தி Jayashakti Sai, are you there? Okay, Varshini, I hope you followed, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And Geeta also followed. And Geeta
Yeah.
also got it. Very good.
Yeah.
So now it is time. So I'm going to stop here. There are a few more problems that I have. So they are based on these concepts only. Some word problems and some problems like this. So I am going to request you all to practice. Okay, do this as homework and come. I'm going to. Jayashakti, your mic is not working. So I asked you whether did you follow what we discussed? Did you understand? Yes, very good, Jayashakti. Okay. Means I'm going to give some homework now. The remaining, I think 3 problems are there. I think 3, or let me see how many more. 3 or 4. Yeah, total 7. We did only up to 3. So there are 4 problems. I'm going to send them to you in the material. I will send whatever we discussed, okay, along with the other additional 4 problems. So I want you to try those remaining problems before the next class. If you have solved it, I won't waste a lot of time, in the classroom. So I will only discuss any particular questions. So please, and moreover, there is no use for you if I keep doing all the problems. Okay, you have to try and do it. Okay, right. So shall we break now then? Anybody? நீங்க எல்லாம் போட்டு வரீங்களா அடுத்த கிளாஸ்? வர்ஷினி, ஜெயசக்தி, அஜய்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you all then. See you in the next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.